Hey, welcome. We're doing number 9 on page 287. A train leaves the station at 6 p.m. So we have our starting time 6 p.m. And it travels 80 miles per hour. It travels west. Sorry for the arrows going the wrong way. On a parallel track, a second train leaves the station 3 hours later. So this one's starting at 9 o'clock. And it's going 100 miles an hour. At what time will the second train catch up with the first? And when the two trains catch up, that means their distances are the same. So the distance from here to here is the same as the distance from here to here. They are the same. So if you look in our dirt table here, we were given the rates. Those are pretty doable. The hard part here, or could be the hard part, is picking a T. If you let the first or the second train be T, the other train is going to be slower, therefore you have to add the 3 hours to it. And if you picked the T for up here, which we don't want to do, but this would be T minus 3. You could do it that way, but we're not doing it that way. So what we did was we set up our dirt table, and distance equals rate times time. Distance equals rate times time. So because they went the same distance, the distance of the first train has to equal the distance of the second train if it's going to catch up. Once it catches up, the distances are the same. We don't care what happens after it passes it or whatever, but we're going to set them equal to each other. So now we have to solve this question here for T. We want to know what T equals. So what does T equal? And that's what we're going to do next, is solve that. Okay, so we are going to use the distributive property to figure out this answer. We're going to distribute the 80 to here and here, and that's where we get this sentence here. We're going to subtract 80 from both sides, divide by 20, and you get T equals 12. And again, that's 12 hours. And what's nice about 12 hours is we're dealing with the second train. The second train is 12 hours. So if the second train leaves at 9 o'clock p.m., 12 hours later, it's going to be 9 a.m. And that works for the other one too. The other one is 15 hours. If I add 15 hours to 6 a.m., I'm also going to get 9 p.m. plus 15 hours is 9 a.m. Okay.